Cough are surging in the U.S. According to the CDC, they're 5 times higher than they were at the same point last year. The CDC says early symptoms can mimic a common cold. 1 to 2 weeks after those start, there can be rapid, violent, and uncontrolled coughing fits that make it hard for a person to breathe. Those fits can last up to 10 weeks. The best protection against whooping cough's vaccination, but healthy habits can also help protect people from getting the disease. These habits include washing your hands, getting good nutrition and sleep, and staying home if you do get sick.